had no responsibilities at all, how would you like to spend your day? One, you told me you like to listen to songs. What else would you like to do?
Without responsibility. Wow, it's really when I heard that that also we feel very nice without any responsibility. As a
How did your day go and how are you doing?
I'm doing nice. What about you?
Doing great too. So tell me, when you want to be stress free, what do you like to do?
Stress free means to be a stress free. What I am doing,
Mm-mm.
I'm listening a song.
You like listening to music.
Yes,
Very
yes.
nice, very nice. What type of music?
Sometimes romantic, old,
Mm-hmm.
90s
Okay, who is your favorite singer?
singer. Actually, I am
Mm?
famous films. Uh, I used to listen.
Okay, okay. I like listening to old songs too. Enjoy it. Very nice, right?
Yeah.
Very well. Okay, so tell me, if you had no responsibilities at all, how would you like to spend your day? One, you told me you like to listen to songs. What else would you like to do?
Without responsibility. Wow, it's really when I heard that that also we feel very nice without any responsibility. As a mother, as
Hmm?
a teacher, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, lot of responsibilities we have, and all responsibilities we have to carry with us. And you
True,
said that without responsibilities. When I heard that,
true.
it's a dream. So what would be I do? No.
Yeah, what would I do?
Mm, actually, it's never happened. So I did. So I have to
I
think.
understand. Okay, I'll give you some options. Would you like to go out with your friends? Would you like to go to the spa and just enjoy, get some good therapy done? Would you like something relaxing, or would you go to the theater, go watch movies?
Yeah,
Or would you like to travel to other cities, maybe meet your friends,
yes, yes.
family,
I will
anybody?
go. I will go to Goa with my friends. Even Delhi. I just want to go there. I
Uh-huh,
will
uh-huh.
enjoy with my friends.
Perfect, perfect. Like hanging out with friends is one of the best things, you can just enjoy full day and you won't get bored.
Really.
Right. Okay. Do you think that life is predestined?
Yes, I think so.
Do you think someone has written our lives?
Yes, means God, everything has done. How whatever he has done, we have to follow it. It is in our faith. What is
Mm-hmm,
going on?
mm-hmm. Okay, so what if you could edit what God has written in your story? What is that one thing you would go write in that book? I want to become this, or I should do this in my life, something. What should Lena do?
Yeah, till now it's everything good.
Okay.
I don't want to change anything now.
Mhm.
Whatever we have to satisfied, and I am satisfied with whatever I have. So whatever
Amazing.
God has prepared, but one thing that I want to edit, God has taken my father.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear about that.
So that things only I just want to edit in my life. It should not be happen.
It should not have happened.
It should not have happened. That
Mm-hmm.
only I want to wish that.
Yes, the loss of a loved one is one thing that is so unbearable. It is difficult to cope up with it, right?
Yes.
Okay, very well. You're fine? You're good? I'm so sorry.
No, no, no. Actually, I'm very close to my father, and each and every day I miss him a lot. And you ask me such a things that only comes in my mind
Right,
immediately.
right. Oh, I do understand. I'm so sorry, though. I'm so
No,
sorry.
no problem.
Okay, okay. Let's cheer you up. Tell me, if you were in Goa, what fun activities would you do? Just imagine yourself on the beaches of Goa and tell me, uh, what would you do? How would you spend your time? Would you like, do you know
Disco dance.
swimming?
I have seen lot of videos, disco dance, and that I wish I would enjoy this dance.
Ah, disco dance. Oh,
I never visited like that place, so I just want to visit.
okay, okay. Do you like freestyle dancing? Are you
Yeah.
shy?
Mhm.
Do you know how to dance, or do you often dance in your
Yes,
you
I
do?
know how to dance, but traditional.
Ah, traditional. So which form of dance do you know?
Actually, I used to dance in school level also, and as being a teacher, I used to perform in our school program also as a teacher.
Oh, that's amazing. Any particular dance form of your region, like
No,
Garba, like no, not like that.
particular form means I am from Maharashtra, so Lamni, that is the traditional.
Oh, it's very nice, very nice. You know, I love that costume so much, so colorful, and then they do this a dance form. I love it.
Yes. Okay, tell me
Okay,
more
very
about
nice. Yeah, it's good to know that you're a teacher as well. About myself, what do you want to know about me?
Miss what you are doing, how, from where you are.
Okay, I'm from Karnataka. I'm from Bangalore. And apart from clapping, I'm a marketing professional. So I do that. And then I like to do a lot of art. I love music, just like you. And I love a lot of makeup, as you can see.
I also love a lot of makeup. Every day I use liner.
Yeah. You put it really neatly, you know.
Yeah,
I can't do it that well.
now it's habitual things for me.
Mhm, mhm. Okay, because every day you're practicing, so
Every day um, I apply it.
that's why you're good at it. I'm not good at applying eyeliner, so I don't. I'm more like foundation and lipstick is something that I prefer.
I like eye makeup more.
I like mascara though. It's nice.
If I didn't use that, no, my friends asking something is missing.
Yeah, because they're used to seeing you that way, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, very well. Oh, very nice. High five then that we love makeup so much.
So, what is your opinion about makeup?
um,
We should do that makeup, or we should be simple without makeup. What is your opinion?
I feel like, you know, everything is good in its own way. Sometimes it's good to be natural. Like suppose you're at the beach. At the beach, I don't wouldn't prefer too much makeup, you know, just enjoy the water, have fun, be natural if you're near nature. But if you're in a city, if you're going to a mall, it's good to dress up and go and be little bright and vibrant. Or if I'm doing my job, like right now, I like to be dressed up, you know. I don't like to be dull and natural beauty. I don't have natural beauty. So
No,
I
no,
like
you have
everything. So I like everything, you know. It
according
depends
to
on which
situation.
place. Yes, yes,
Huh,
yes. Definitely,
according to
definitely.
situation.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yes, yes, absolutely right. According to situation, we have to follow that. Otherwise, we will not feel comfortable.
True. This is what I try to explain to everybody. They don't understand.
So confidence, automatically confidence comes in inside.
Yes, yes. You can also say that confidence comes from within.
Yeah.
Okay, or it boosts our confidence.
Boost our confidence.
So, did you always apply makeup since your childhood, or you started it very recently?
From college level.
Very nice. Nobody tells you, Leena, your skin will get spoiled, any such thing?
Oh, makeup means not too much this makeup. Only I make
It's
up.
yeah, that suits you enough because you have such a cheerful face. You don't need too much makeup.
No, I need it.
And not too much. Trust me, you have such a vibrant and welcoming face. You don't need much. This is perfect.
Okay, thanks for compliment. Each and everyone giving compliment for my smile.
Yes. You have a very, very sweet smile. Like if I see you smiling, it's so contagious. I feel happy. So it's very nice.
Sometimes I feel it's not over. No, I am just laughing every time. Sometimes I feel it, but it's natural. How many times I control it, but I could not.
No. You should not control it because it's beautiful. And the best part is it spreads positivity. So suppose I'm dull, okay, and you are smiling, and if I see you, I get very happy. So it's a good thing. Don't control.
Okay, thanks for a compliment and thanks for advice.
This is one field I will advise everybody.
Yes, for that purpose you are here.
Very well. Okay, so tell me, if you had the ability to read people's minds, would you want to read people's mind?
Means if I have that ability, then okay, how the person is, is he a good human being or is just pretending how he is?
You want to know the truth. Okay. Okay, instead of saying how the person is, you say how is the person.
How is he?
Yeah, is he truthful? Is he pretentious? You can use this word, pretentious. Okay, is he masking his face, hiding his face under a mask? All these words. Okay.
And one more thing I just want to ask you. Last session, I had a session last time. So that debate, we have across one debate on the one particular sentence. I heard about Mahim, or I have heard about Mahim. So I heard. It's a simple past,
Simple. I heard about her. Yes.
I heard about Mahim, or I heard about Goa. I heard about, or it should be I have heard. It will work.
Tell you. You can use I have heard, but when it's more in the past, like I have heard about her 10 days back. You can say it, but why complicated? I heard about her.
Yeah. That's simple enough, in simple past.
Yeah. Or if you want to use the word before at the end, like I have heard about her before, then you use have.
Yes.
Okay. So both are correct, but it depends on what is your context.
Yes. Both are correct, no?
Yes. I have heard is what we often use. I have heard about this. I've heard about this restaurant. I have heard about this animal, this book. So we use I have heard a lot because you have heard it quite in the past. But if you have to use I heard it for the first time. We still use I have heard it for the first time. I have heard, go with I have heard. Use this more often. I have heard.
I have heard, it's a present perfect tense, no?
Yes, but the more I try to make sentences, I have a feeling that we use I have heard more. See, I have heard this before. I have heard this for the first time. I have read this big book before. I think it's all I have with whatever sentences I'm making right now. Okay. I heard about it in the past. We still use I have heard about it. Okay. So try using more of I have heard. Okay. Okay, very well. It does get a little confusing even for us when we are suddenly analyzing. But what you do in such a situation, you try at least 10 sentences and see, is it matching? Is it not? Then you go about it. That's what I did, right? First I said I have heard it's correct, and then I analyzed 10-15 examples, and then you get to know. It's the same even with the previous tutors. We have to do a trial and error, right? So just that.
Okay.
Okay, well, I will quickly give you a feedback. Okay. First, the connect that you have with the person who speaks is really good, because you're very pleasant to speak to. So the person in front of you feels like talking to you with your gestures, your approach. You're confident there. You're confident, and it's nice. It's nice that you are willing to talk to people and learn, right? You're willing to know. Next part that I like, that you asked me even about myself. So you're having a conversation with me, not just answering or coming and answering. No, you're trying to establish a good communication with the person. Again, a good thing. Okay, so keep all of these qualities up. Don't think that you're overdoing something. No, all of these qualities are really good. Keep them up. I would suggest, don't try to confuse yourself too much with the tenses, because when you analyze that way too much, you will get very confused. You will get very confused, and you will get bored of learning the language itself. So what do? You try to describe more the environment around you, right? Try to describe it more. Try to walk somewhere on the street and keep admiring the beautiful things in front of you. The flowers are so beautiful. I wish I could touch its petals. I wish that spring comes more soon. Say like 5 to 10 lines of what you're seeing and feeling and hearing. You'll improve your fluency fast. Okay. And keep smiling, please. I'm sorry about what happened in the session earlier, but yeah, keep smiling, and I hope you have a really good day.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes, time says finished.
Yes, it's we're almost at the end of the session. You can let me know if you have any doubts, and I will try to address it in the next session.